So it's very windy now. We are looking for our pet. Where is he?
Huh?
Where is he?
Maybe somewhere here, down, one of the car.
Oh, it's here.
Somewhere hiding.
Come here. Namaskara, mabuhay. So currently, we are experiencing power outage since last night around 11 p.m. And also the wind still strong. Then there is heavy rain. So this is our setup currently. It's very dark. Then Eshan is like a cocoon there, preparing for school. And then currently, our weather outside is very rainy and windy. The wind. So even the condition is like this right now. There is only a notification for road closure. Not all road closure, so if kaya pa i-drive, pwede pa siya. And then for school naman, we are waiting for the notification from the school to if may pasok ba or wala. But currently, it's around almost 7 a.m. Walang notification na may pasok or wala pa yung mga bata. So we are waiting for the update from the school as well as in the government kung ano magiging setup. But ako is may work ako. Dahil nga walking distance lang yung working area ko. Then si Pratish is need to check the route if may mga closure ng road. Stay safe everyone. It's very gloomy there. This will last until this afternoon. So this is the weather today. So let's see in the afternoon if it's still rainy or with the wind. So currently, I think we are in a 46 kilometers per hour strong wind. So currently, this bata will be sending me to office. We will not go to school. Come here, it's so windy. Inside. Thank you, Acha. Very windy.
When you come back, when you are here, you have to go straight there and then turn around and it's easy to go here.
What I was feeling so. So cold.
And me too.
So kalala, so windy and no vehicles on the road.
Yeah, they're scared on the road closing. Mama is here. Namaskaram. So update for the power outage. We have an electricity already. So we just arrived from outside. Hi, say hi. Hi. Then the weather is already okay. Suddenly changed. Not much wind. Also, no rain anymore. And there is a bit like it's clear sky a bit there, the other side. So good thing everything is okay now. So we will be taking our dinner and we can take a bath already. We have an electricity. Right now it's already a bit clear. Albie's there. So time check is 8 p.m. already. So hopefully tomorrow it would be having a good weather. And say bye bye to Albie. Say good night, Albie. Okay, bye.